In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out on TradingView. So I'm going to show you two ways and it's actually easy. So what you're going to do, the first way I'm going to show you is to just go down here and you're going to see this plus and minus icon. You can simply just press it, and as you can see, you can zoom in and out, and also can press this backward button to go to the specific time frame that you want, specific day that you want, or you can click on this forward to go forward. And also another way is, if you are using mouse, you can simply just press Ctrl and then use the scrolling mouse, then drag it, use the scrolling mouse, scroll it up or back, and as you can see, and that's it. And if you want your chart to be back to normal, just right click and click on reset chart view, and your chart will come back to normal. And that's it. Please kindly like and subscribe if you find it helpful.